Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can find your Spotify Wrapped. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So basically guys, Spotify Wrapped is not something that you find every day. Spotify Wrapped, you can only find it in the end of the year. So if it's the end of the year, on the Spotify mobile app, open the Spotify app. Then find Spotify Wrapped. Spotify Wrapped is usually prominently featured on the home screen when it becomes available. Look for a banner or a card title, your 2023 Wrapped, or the relevant year. If you don't see it on the home screen, use the search bar and type Spotify Wrapped. It should appear in the search results. View your Wrapped. Tap on the Wrapped banner or search results to start viewing your personalized Wrapped stories. It will display your top songs, artists, genres, and more from the past year in a story-like format. On the Spotify desktop app, open the Spotify desktop app, open the Spotify app on your computer, and sign in to your account. Navigate to Spotify Wrapped. Look for a notification or banner about Spotify Wrapped on the home screen. If you don't see it, use the search bar at the top of the screen and type Spotify Wrapped. View your Wrapped, click on the Wrapped banner or search results to access your Wrapped insights. It will provide an overview of your listening habits over the past year. If you want to see it on the Spotify website, visit the Spotify Wrapped website, then log in to your account, and then you can view your Wrapped. Once you're logged in, you will be redirected to your personalized Wrapped page where you can see your top songs, artists, genres, and other listening stats. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.